Yo, what's happening, Box Chevy family? It's just a little quick install video. I'm gonna install this third brake light. I'm gonna speed it up real quick. Ain't gonna be a long video at all. Let me show y'all what I'm working with right quick. So I will put the, I put a picture of it at the top of the screen. Just look at the top of the screen now. That's the brake light off of eBay. It's a 36-inch. You can get whatever length you want that'll fit in your back windshield. In my case, I had a antenna right there in the window, so I just had to get that off of there. And if you wonder how to get that off, you just really need to heat it up and just peel it off of there. So that's all I did. I just heated it up, used my razor right here, and I scraped it off. I mean, I see a lot of people overpaying for this, so me being me, I'm gonna try to help y'all out best I can. This brake light was only like, I believe like $15 to $20. Matter of fact, no, it was like 30-something bucks, 35, 36 bucks. But it's sequential too, where you can just plug the signals up and everything. But I'm just gonna use it for a brake light. I really don't care for the sequential. I might hook that up at a later date, but I'm just gonna hook up the brake light right now. So I'm gonna sit y'all up on this stand and go ahead and get it in. Let's go. Third brake light hit him. Oh, yep, he clean. Car dirty, but the third brake light clean. Yeah. Just let it down a little bit so we ain't got so much shade in here. There you go. Hold on, what? Great, yeah, that's a red brake light.
You get a different one?
Okay, that's just killing some of the light. Let's see. Okay, go ahead and hit him. Oh, yeah, that's clean. Hit it again, hold it. Yep, just did a quick third brake light install on here like I did on the other box. It's a little small little light show going on in here, man. If y'all know the Box Chevy game, you got to have a third brake light. Hit him one more time. Oh yeah, man, that looked like a little young light show from back here. Yes, sir. That was the license plate. Hit it again. Cool.
y'all made it this far into the video. Thanks for watching, and we out. Peace.